Hi, my name is Praneeth Reddy. My registration number is O15CS291. This is my seventh experiment in data structures lab. The objective of the experiment is to implement merge and quicksort to sort the list of numbers. First, we will go with merge sort. This is the program. The standard header file and library files are given. Here, I use this function is used. Basically, the merge sort splits up the given unordered array, means random the array with random numbers, into many sublists. The splitting continues till the sublist has only one number, and then the all the sublists are sorted and then joined to form a full array. For splitting into smaller spots, I have used this function. Here the void merge sort function goes like this. In merge sort, we are dealing mainly deals with three main operations: low, mid, and high. For calculating the mid, the formula is low plus high by 2. Then merge sort goes with a, mid, and high. Here, and the function to sort the elements and to these are the functions for sorting the elements and as well as joining them to form a full array which is in an orderly form. In the merge sort, here I have used variables I, j, k, and initialized I is equal to low, k is equal to low, and j is equal to mid plus 1. While I is equal to when I is equal to less than or equal to mid and j is equal to less than or equal to high, it goes like this. And here I initialized an array C which contains only 10 spaces. Here then when C of k is equal to A of I, then this condition is possible only when I is less than or equal to mid and j is less than or equal to high. When if A of I is equal to less than A of j, then C of k is equal to A of I, and the value of k and I are incremented. Else the value of C is made equal to j, and the value of k and j are incremented, because it means this condition is satisfied only when mid is less than high, and the value of mid is less than high. When it will check with the sublist that are split into parts. When I is less than mid, then the value C of k what we entered will be made with equal to I, and this will be incremented. Means we have splitted this operation into two parts. In the same way, here we in the same fashion, here when j is less than or equal to high, the C of k will be made equal to A of j, the array of j, and the both will be value of k and j will be incremented. Here we are using for loop for sorting all the elements at a time, and for joining. For I is equal to low and I is less than k, what we entered, k means the value what we entered, and for incrementation, A of I is equal to C of I, and this is the main function. In the main function, there will be a set of CU statements and scene statements that are displayed for the user in the output. Here I have displayed the user to enter the elements one by one. Here I have used only 5. It means the user can enter only 5 elements, and they are taken as input as A of I, and they are sorted. I call the function merge sort here, and once the elements are sorted, then they will be diverted to the output. Here I use for loop to display all the elements that are sorted. Let me run the program. Then the elements are sorted in ascending order, and here is the output. Now we'll see the quicksort algorithm. In quicksort program, here the basic standard header files and library files are given. Here an array is declared with a size of 5, and here in the basically quicksort algorithm works on the principle divide and rule. The quicksort divides an big array into two sub-arrays and a pivot in middle, and they consider pivot. It means the middle. Otherwise, we can call it a middle term. And the left side variables of the term are sorted according to less than to the pivot, and the right side variables are sorted in such a way that all the variables that are right are higher than the pivot. And this is the void quicksort function. This is the function to sort the array. Void quicksort int. There will be two variables dealing one int right and sorry left and right. Here p variable which resembles the pivot. If right is greater than left, then the program continues. It means the pivot will be given. The array first will be balanced, and the position of pivot is found. Once the position of the pivot is found, then is the function to choose the pivot variable and to sort the array. Here I have initialized I is equal to 1 and j is equal to r. The I value is initialized to 1, and j value depends upon the number of elements that are entered by the user. And here declared pivot f l and a temporary variable. Here a temporary variable is used to sort the elements and to check and to sort the elements. Here do while loop is used because at least one time we need to enter this loop. Here the value of I is incremented when while a of I is less than pivot. So let me show an example and I'll explain the program. Consider this as an example. Here first the pivot is found, and after the pivot the elements left to the pivot are sorted in such a way that the elements that are present in the pivot left to the pivot are less than that number, and right must be greater than that number. So in the same way, here the pivot is found after executing this program, and I will be used to sort the elements right side to the pivot, and j here then so why the I value is incremented and the j value is decremented to sort, so that the value will be decreasing and the elements will be sorted in the left side. I of j is greater than, if I less than j, then the temporary variable will be a of I, and a of I is equal to a of j, and a of j is equal to 10. That means the two values will be interchanged. It means they will be sorted. When this loop ends, the value will be written j, and the main function. In this main function, we are going to give a set of save statements for the user. Here enter the elements one by one. Here I have used 5. It means only 5 elements can be entered by the user, and this quicksort algorithm is used. Function is used called here for sorting the elements, and the save statement is used, and for loop is used because to print the all the 5 numbers entered by the user in the output when we run the program. Numbers one by one. Then the elements are sorted and arranged in an ascending order. This binary sort. Thank you.